Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2024 Can-Am Renegade XMR. We have just installed a turn signal / street legal kit on it. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about the kit. So here in Utah, we can make the Renegade street legal like a car. We simply need to add front and rear turn signals. You can see the light right there. I'll show you how it activates. Up here on the handle, you're going to rock this switch up into the on position, and then simply left is going to do the indicators left. Nice and bright. And on the back, there's not a lot of room to mount them on the back, but you can see we've got it mounted right there. Anywhere you could drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you could mount the light. The street legal kit also comes with the license plate mount, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. And it's got a horn. With the horn, very simple operation there, very easy controls. You do need to add a mirror on this ATV to make it street legal here in Utah. Check with your state to see if it's going to allow the Renegade XMR to be street legal in your state. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We've got these kits in stock, ready to ship. Have a great day, everybody.